In today's video, we are going to show you how to check your rating in chess.com. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open chess.com, log in using your credentials, and then I want you to hover to the bottom left corner where you can see your profile icon. This will forward you to multiple tabs. I want you to click the stats section, and on the drop-down menu, there are multiple options here. Whether you played Blitz, Rapid, Bullet, tournaments, puzzles, you can see your rating by clicking on any of the following games. For example, I'm gonna open Daily 960. You would notice that the rating is just around here, and my current rating is around 16.9% from my previous history. Okay, 0-1, 0 drawn, 0 lost. Okay, so you can have more information as you hover down below here. Now, please keep in mind that chess.com keeps separate ratings for each because they require different skills and time. For example, you go to Blitz, okay, you would see the stat page, and of course, you can see different information from this data. And now you can see your areas of weakness, where to improve. So the next time you play any of the following games, you'd know where to adjust and how to improve your skills here in chess.com. But basically, that's it for today's video on how to check your rating on chess.com. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.